What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to raise and support this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So from underneath the vehicle, anything in the front, this subframe right here, you really don't want to support the vehicle from here or raise it up. You're better off back here. There is pinch welds and they are marked out on the vehicle. There's a little notch on there and right there, all four corners of the vehicle. Same on this side. You'll see little areas where it's notched out. You want to support the vehicle or raise it from that location. And then also, if you're using some jack stands, you can support it right here in this area. Just be careful of these hoses. Right here on this side. And then back towards the front of the vehicle, right here. This is a solid piece of the body frame, and then right here as well. And you definitely do not want to support or raise anything from the rear differential. You could damage that.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.